here. Lake Park, October 2023. There's Ralph and Luca. Hey-yo! Yes! Morning, Red. You tired? You tired, Red?
Wow. Amazon 25.95.
What?
Did you think Ralph looked good today?
Yeah.
Well, you know Andrew's gonna want to get faster again because I'm no longer the slowest guy in the group.
Oh no!
No.
Fighting words. It's the secret Garfield track.
Jack's new condo. As of next
You're
month.
right next to Chipotle?
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Whoa. That's cool. There used to be a good hot chocolate place. That's the other Mindy's or whatever it was?
Twin Acres. Is it open?
This your first time coming here?
Uh-huh.
This is my spot.
Really?
Yeah. Ooh.
I like it. Where is this gonna go?
Awesome. Thank you. Ain't no such thing as a free lunch, boys. Charge you for this. Fucking kidding me.
Dave, what are you doing?
I'm confused then.
There's the plan. Wow.
It's pretty good, right?
That's very impressive. Good job, Jack. What do you think, Dave?
Yeah, it's. I mean, it's better than I would expect.
Okay. Deal. Okay, ready?
Yeah, it's not flashing.
It's a video. Everyone wins.